In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to add connector lines in Figma design files. By the end, you'll be able to show clear relationships between ideas, screens, or steps using simple connectors that stay attached as you move things around. First, go to Figma. You can use either the desktop app or your browser. Sign in and head into your workspace so you can access your files. This process works great when you're planning flows, mapping ideas, or sketching quick diagrams, and will do it in a way that keeps everything tidy and easy to update. Once you're in, navigate to your Drafts page. Drafts is your personal sandbox in Figma, where you can create an experiment without affecting shared team files. It's a safe place to try ideas before you move them into a project. If you have a lot of files, a quick search or a glance at your recent files can help you get oriented. Next, click on FigJam at the top right. FigJam is Figma's whiteboarding space, perfect for flowcharts and quick diagrams. Switching into FigJam gives you access to ready-made shapes, sticky notes, and most importantly for this tutorial, connectors that automatically snap and stay attached. Open a new Fig Jamboard so we can build from scratch. Now add a few boxes. Use the shape tool to drop in rectangles or other shapes that represent steps in your flow or parts of your diagram. Click and drag to draw your boxes and space them out so there's room for arrows in between. Keep your layout simple and aligned. Good spacing makes your connectors easier to read later. If you want, you can give each box a short label so you remember what each one stands for. At the bottom toolbar, find the arrow or connector icon and click it. Then click a corner or edge of your first box and drag to the next box to create a connection. You'll see the connector snap to the shape, so even if you move your boxes later, the line stays attached. This is the key advantage of connectors over regular lines. From here, feel free to experiment with how the arrow looks. You can adjust arrowheads, line thickness, color, and style to match your diagram's tone. Solid for main flows, dashed for optional paths, or curved if that's easier to follow. If your diagram gets busy, zoom in for precision and nudge boxes a bit to keep lines readable and avoid overlaps. And that's it. You went to Figma, opened your drafts, switched to FigJam, added boxes, and connected them with smart arrows you can style and refine. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.